Artificial intelligence. Wealth. Power. Are you ready to leap ahead of 99% of people? In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, one tool stands out as a game changer. Artificial intelligence. Today, we dive into how you can leverage AI to build wealth and stay ahead of 99% of people. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is disrupting industries across the globe. It's transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. But instead of fearing this change, we should embrace it. Why? Because AI offers endless possibilities and opportunities. From healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing every sector. It's not just about automation or efficiency. It's about creating new ways of thinking, new ways of solving problems, and new ways of creating value. You don't need a billion-dollar company to compete in today's market. Even a modest team, powered by AI, can make a significant impact. The key advantage? Agility. The ability to adapt and move quickly in a fast-paced world. In the age of AI, size doesn't matter. What matters is the ability to innovate and adapt. But it's not just about technology. It's about passion and purpose. When combined with the power of AI, these become your superpowers. They drive you to create, to innovate, and to make a difference. They turn challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. And let's not forget the importance of continuous learning and personal growth. In a world that's constantly changing, staying ahead means staying informed. It means being curious, being open to new ideas, and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. Fortunately, AI is not just a tool for disruption. It's also a tool for learning. With AI-powered platforms and resources, learning has become more accessible and personalized than ever. You can learn at your own pace, in your own style, and in your own time. So, are you ready to leverage AI and get ahead of the curve? The future is here, and it's faster than you think. It's a future of endless possibilities, a future of exponential growth, and a future where you can make a difference. So, embrace AI, embrace the future, and let's create a better world together.